Welcome back to Dad's Expensive Hobbies, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. Today we're diving into the world of 1/64 scale with this 1970 Dodge Challenger RT Hemi from M2 Machines. Let's start off with it still in the box. M2 always gives their cars a nice display-style package. You can already see the Challenger's bold muscle car stance through the clear window. The graphics and RT badging catch your eye right away, and even before taking it out, you know this one has that classic Mopar attitude. Now that it's out of the package and on the turntable, you can really appreciate the detail M2 packed into this little beast. The body lines are sharp and true to the 1970 Challenger's iconic design. The paint finish is smooth, and those chrome bumpers up front and in the rear bring just the right shine to the car. The grille is nicely sculpted with fine headlight details, giving it that authentic look, while the side profile shows off that long hood and short deck that made the Challenger such a hit back in the day. Take a closer look at the wheels. M2 fitted this one with period-correct 5-spoke rims and real rubber tires. The tread is visible, which is impressive at this small scale, and the stance of the car sits just right, giving it that aggressive muscle car posture. Swinging around to the back, you get those signature Challenger taillights stretching across the panel, with the RT badging cleanly tampo printed. Even the chrome exhaust detail underneath is spot on for this scale. So whether you're a Mopar fan, a Challenger lover, or just someone who enjoys collecting highly detailed 1/64 scale diecasts, this 1970 Dodge Challenger RT Hemi from M2 Machines is a must-have. So that's all we have for today. If you enjoyed this showcase, I invite you to check out our other videos here on Dad's Expensive Hobbies, where we bring scale collectibles to life. Until next time, keep die casting, and God bless.